Keisha? A Christian, I go christen the baby?
I don't at church, me I go. Don't at church.
Happening down at church, Keisha?
No, I don't christen me, I go christen the baby. Me here said I have revival service down at church. Yes, Millicent. Yes, Millicent. Me I run go down at church. Because me hear so one good prophet down at church.
You can't trust them
Yes,
prophet this time, you know,
Millicent.
Keisha.
Yes. Me I go down at church. Oh, no man, me hear say one big prophet from who overseas, me don't know which country, if I some African country come from and come at church. Good prophet me here. So they
A
have
lot of
revival
false prophet
service
out
at
now, you know,
church.
Keisha.
So as you know, say Samantha did born and me not really have the money to take the DNA, so me I go down there go find out if pastor can help me. You know, if anybody down there can see through the spirit, yes, fi see a over the baby. Because I don't know what is going on. Because the baby favor Brian, in favor Brian, eh? In favor my boyfriend. Why me don't know? Because as you know already, you know everything go already, me no need to spell it out and tell you. Yes. So
I hide under the
no,
umbrella.
no man, I through the sun hot make me have the umbrella. So me I go down there go find out who are the baby father, cause me don't have the money now to take the DNA test. Alright? So when me come back, I will tell you what happened. Because my tree dead from me push out this a picnic, so I know not now hide again. Greetings in this honorable revival service here tonight and prophecy service. I am telling you, I saw a lady about 18 years old step into this prophecy service here tonight with a little baby. And what is on her mind? She want to find out who the baby father is. I'm telling you, it don't look good at all. It's not looking good. She have been with about 6 men and she cannot find out who the rightful father is. Oh, here come a shamba. Yo, I'm telling you, tonight, hey, come shamba. Yeah. Yes. Bring her up. I can see her. Hey. Oh. The father that you want to give the baby to is not the father. Oh, he's not the father. That young handsome boy is not the father. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I must tell you, the father for that child, oh, is the auntie husband. Oh, my. I'm telling you. Oh gosh. Yes, is her mother, sister, husband. Oh, she went by night, yes, to look for that man. Yes, Oh, I am telling you. Oh, I'm telling you, I can see it. I can see it. It's a disaster. Oh my. Oh, bring her up so I can pray for her. And Almighty. Oh, she want the money to take the DNA test. Oh, but I'm telling you, I can see who the Father is. Yes. Oh my. Hey, hey. I must tell you, mom, the reading is free, but you're going to have to buy a pound of saltfish and eat that pound of saltfish. And when you're crossing the river, you must not drink any of that water. And you must not drink any water for 2 days. And if you follow the instruction that I am giving you, the baby will be for the father that you want the baby to be for. You have to follow the instruction. I said, eat a pound of saltfish and drink no water for 2 days. And then that baby will be for who you want the baby to be for. Any father you want to give it, that's the father the baby DNA is going to be. I'm telling you, it's a very hard task. But you have to follow the instruction. Yes. And after the 2 days, you come back to me, because it's a 1 week revival meeting, and you come back and I'll give you a bath. Okay? Alright. Please to like, subscribe, and share if you're in for the nonsense. Okay? Thank you very much. Every subscriber is important. Okay? We all want to laugh together. Too many sadness around the world. You know, we want to laugh. Yes, Millicent, girl. I'm telling you, I was so excited. The service was so nice. By the time I go inside the church and sit down, I don't know if somebody tell the pastor or him really good like how me ears him good. But all me know say, him start to talk about a little young girl coming here, 18-year-old with a baby, and she don't know the baby father. One bag of things. But just sit down and not say nothing. And then him say, come up, come up. I'm going to walk up. I'm going to tell a girl, when the pastor start. But long story short, him say, if I want the baby to be for the father where me want, I must buy 1 pound of saltfish, girl, and eat the pound of saltfish. I'm gonna have to drink no water, even if me a pass river, I'm gonna have to drink no water for 2 days. Come back to him, and him give me a bath. And then the baby can be for who me want it for. I'm gonna have to take no DNA test. Girl. Right as me go down, go put on the baby, because true she asleep. Me go around a shop. Go trust one piece of saltfish, because me I tell you, it have to work. It have to work. Yes. Me know it all work. Me know it all work. Me know it all work. This is what I say. Me know say it a go work. You have to just believe. Yes. Yes. Me have to, it have to work. And this baby have to be for Brian. Because Brian mama there Canada can send one heap or something come for Samantha. Lucky him lucky. Him lucky. That me I say him lucky. Alright. Bye bye, piece of saltfish.